At Warren Secord Automotive Tire Pros, we take pride in providing quality auto repair at fair prices. I'm owner Bill Winans. I want to invite you to make us your auto repair shop. Fair, honest, and professional service is what we've been providing drivers since Warren Secord opened his shop on the west side of Kent in 1965. Today, our ASE certified technicians can help you with almost anything you might drive. We work on cars, trucks, SUVs, whether they are foreign or domestic models. Thanks for visiting with us. Now come see us. We're at the corner of West Smith and Washington in Kent. See you soon.
When readying your car for safe and efficient winter driving, these are the things you need to address. First thing everyone thinks about is tires. With wet and icy roads, tires in poor or worn condition pose a serious threat to your safety and the safety of others. If you live where it snows or ices, often you may want to get studs in your tires. Your antifreeze level in your coolant system is also something you need to make certain is all right with your vehicle. According to DMV.org, for most vehicles, a proper winter ratio is 60% coolant or antifreeze and 40% water. If you live where temperatures get below freezing, you'll want to make sure your engine oil is a thinner, less viscous variety. For instance, if you run a 10W30 in summer, try a 5W30 when changing oil in the fall or winter. If it's cold and your battery is not at full strength, you may have slow or difficult starts and possibly battery failure. Thoroughly inspect your battery, cables, terminals, and battery fluid to make sure you're ready for winter. If you don't already have an emergency road kit in your vehicle, the impending winter could be your impetus for getting one. See to it that it includes flares, a flashlight, a blanket, portable radio, and perhaps engine oil, coolant, washer fluid, and boots. You'll be glad for them if you are stuck on the road some cold and stormy night.
Did you learn anything in this video? If you're now inspired to fix or check out what you saw here, we can help. Come see us.